at align center and hold the pedal.
Roger.
Hold the pedal and wings wants to go. Which wings has to go down? If you don't do it, so you start to drift it right away.
Left. A
Okay.
little bit of power.
Yes, that was good call. I'm not going to talk to you. I'm just
A little bit
watching.
more. A little bit more.
Do you still need power?
Not now.
Then why not cutting it? You don't need it.
Right rudder. Airspeed. Come on.
Where is full deflection?
Share.
Go.
Okay.
That was low. Wings level, wings level, wings level. That's it.
Limit Delta,
Okay.
right base 07.
So that was a little bit low on a cruise, but was good.
Okay.
But be careful. I don't want you to push back or something like that. Be careful. Don't wait and say, shit, I'm hitting the ground, I'm full. You know?
Roger.
Prevent it. And usually we climb with this 76. I need altitude before you're killing us. Good.
+1, +2.